The femoral nerve is one of the largest nerves in the lumbar plexus, arising from the nerve roots L2, L3, and L4. It descends through the abdominal and into the thigh, where it serves as a key structure for motor and sensory functions. The femoral nerve primarily innervates the anterior muscles of the thigh, such as the quadriceps femoris, which is crucial for knee extension. It also provides motor innervation to the sartorius and pectineus muscles. Here are its main branches, the anterior and posterior. The anterior branch terminates into the intermediate and medial cutaneous of the thigh, as well as the motor nerve to the sartorius muscle. The posterior branch divides into the saphenous nerve and four motor branches to the quadriceps muscles. Here in this video, we're going to trace femoral nerve as well as anterior and posterior branches, including intermediate and medial cutaneous of the thigh and saphenous nerve. We're going to start by locating the nerve roots from L2 to L4. Try this on the posterior side as it is easier to feel and locate the vertebrae there. Then level the vertebrae along the anterior abdominal wall. Now look at the midpoint of the inguinal ligament using the ASIS as a reference. Mark about 1.5 inches below the inguinal ligament. This is where femoral nerve terminates into two branches. Now let's trace the femoral nerve. Make sure you hit all the bony landmarks along the path while you're tracing, and trace two deviations at the termination point. Tracing anterior branch. Start at the inguinal ligament and trace two branches along the anterior medial side and medial side of the thigh. Mark the midpoint of the inguinal ligament. Pes anserine and anterior surface of medial malleolus. Trace the nerve by hitting all the bony landmarks along the path. Don't forget to trace the deviations at the termination point.